A Russian oil tanker in the Black Sea near occupied Crimea has become the latest high-profile target to be struck by a Ukrainian naval drone.
러시아가 점령한 크림반도 인근 흑해에서 최근 한 러시아 유조선이 우크라이나 해군 드론의 공격을 받았습니다. 유조선.
Yes.
이제 이게 무슨 선 나오면은 ship가
Yes.
나와야 될 것 같은데요. 여기는 그 단어는 안 보여요.
Yes, that's right.
What have they said?
They have said tanker.
tanker.
A tanker is a very, very large ship that carries oil.
아하.
So it's a specific type of ship that carries oil. So you would actually call it a tanker or a tanker ship, but
Okay.
usually tanker.
오일 ship라고 하지 않고 오일 탱커라고
Yes.
여기서 표현을 하고 있습니다. 우리가 보통 이제 뭐 조선 산업을 얘기할 때는 shipbuilding industry
That's
이렇게
right.
얘기를 하는데요. 자, 그다음에는 high profile target. 여기서 이게 무슨 어떤 타겟을 말을 하고 있는 걸까요?
High profile means that it is someone or something that attracts a lot of attention. So if it's a target that's a high profile, it's a target that is attracting a lot of attention.
High profile means people know a lot about this person or thing,
Yes.
as opposed to low profile.
That's right. So it could be a celebrity.
Yeah.
It could be someone in politics, someone who knows, who is well known
Yeah.
by a lot of people, and who, as a result, grabs a lot of attention. But in this case, it's actually a target, or who the oil tanker is
Yeah.
actually a target of attention that is well known to the public. In this case, by Ukrainian naval drones, and of course, the Russian side as well, because of what it does.
Exactly. 그래서 이제 세간의 이목을 끄는 눈에 띄는 그런 사람이나 아니면 이 경우에는 공격 대상, high profile이라고 얘기하는데요. 보통은 헐리우드 스타들에 대해서 우리가 high profile, low profile 이런
Yes.
얘기를 많이 하죠. So for example, Bruce Willis,
Oh.
he's a high profile celebrity, but these days because of his health issues,
Yes.
he's keeping a very low,
Low
profile.
profile.
네. 그래서 굉장히 원래는 굉장히 유명한 사람이고 뭐 다 누구나 다 아는 배우지만 요즘에 여러 가지 건강상의 이유로 인해서 이렇게 뭐 공식적인 뭐 행사나 이런 거 하지 않고 그냥 조용히 지내고 있잖아요. 그럴
That's
때
right.
he's keeping a low profile 이렇게 얘기할 수 있습니다.